all day. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for goat with a silly grin. H is for hat you put on your chin. Come along and sing with me. We're learning letters A to Z. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. The alphabet is really neat. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jump up high you go. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a roar to the sky. M is for monkey climbing trees. N is for noodles, eat them please. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Come along and sing with me. We're learning letters A to Z. Spin around and touch your toes. The alphabet is how we grow. Q is for queen with crown so bright. R is for rainbow, what a sight. S is for sun shining all day. T is for train chugging all way. U is for umbrella when skies are gray. V is for violin, let's play, play, play. O is for whale so big and blue. X is for xylophone, play it too. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped in town. We sang the letters A to Z. Now you know them just like me. Wave your hands and shout hooray. We love to learn the fun ABC way. ABC, so fun to sing. Learning letters is everything.